Alright guys, welcome to day 2 of our 20 days design challenge. Okay, so today we are going to be dealing on modeling. Alright, we're going to be dealing on modeling. So I've gotten 3 flyers. Remember, modeling simply means you picking ideas from other design to get you pick idea from them. Alright, so it's not really you copying, but you picking an idea. Alright, so I have 3 designs here, and the kind of design I want to do is that kind of design that has one image on it. So we are going to pick ideas from these flyers right here. Alright, so guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viable video just like this one. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So if you are interested in joining the challenge, you can check the description of this video. You will see a link that will direct you to the group that is actually performing this challenge. And if you need the resources too, you can check the description too. You'll get where you get access to the resources for free. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get in. Alright, so I'm going to hide all of this and then lock them. So I've gotten some backgrounds that we are going to be using for this. So we have this and then we have this background. So I will simply first of all get the aspect ratio, that is the canvas ratio. I will put it as at 1400. Alright, so we have that set. So having done that, the next thing is I'm going to hide this face, hide that face, and then work with this. I'm going to increase it to full the screen. Then the second thing I will do, I like to change the color. Okay, we'll change the color to blue. I want to change the color to blue, so we have it like that. So I'm going to lock that. Okay, so I will bring this other one to this other one. So I'm going to drag it to full the screen too, and then I'm going to also change the color to blue. Alright, so I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Alright, so I'm going to reduce the opacity of this one. So we have something like this. You can see we have something like this. The other background comes to play also in it, but you cannot really see it. So we have it like that. So I'm going to lock that. So the next thing, the background is too light. So I'm going to come to create a shape and come to gradient, and then I'm going to, for this side, I'm going to pick a blue color, then darken it, and then for this side I'm going to put it as transparent. So, and then I'm going to make it to the middle, increase this, that's drag this. You know, it was formerly here, so I drag it down here for me to have it. Just observe the changes. Alright, so I have it like this. So you can see some parts is now dark, but we still don't have enough dark part. So I'm going to create another shape, and then I'm still going to do the same thing. Go to gradient, then go to gradient again, and then for this part I'm going to also select blue, still dark blue, and then for this part I'm going to make it transparent. So we have something like this. I'm going to OK that, and then bring this here, and then I'm going to make a copy of that again. So we have something like this. Alright, so for the last thing we are going to be doing is for me to go to draw, enable the pen to the last one, enable this, and then I will going to select blue again. Then I will bring the blue down here such that it's dark but not really dark. So I'm going to tap on the screens to drop it there. So I'm going to increase it and drop it somewhere here, and then copy it to this side too. So you can see we have the background ready now. So I'm going to lock all of this. Okay, so now we have it. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in an image. So I'm going to simply use the image of this man. I'm going to use the image of this man right here. Okay, so I'm going to just drag that to fit it well. Alright. Okay, so we are done with that. I'm going to lock it. So the next thing I will do is to get the name of the church. So we are going to write the name of the church. Alright, so I've got that. I'm going to change the color to white, and then change the font, and then I'm gonna change the font. I'm going to use Germany's book. Alright, so we have it like that. So we need a logo there, so I'm going to bring in a logo. Alright, so we have this as our logo. So I'm going to remove the background and then change it to white. Alright, so we have it like this. But I don't know if you observe something, that side is also too light, so the church is not really showing very well. So I'm going to bring in another tab here to get this again. So I'm going to drag it, and then I'm going to drag this like this too, then take it to the back. I'm going to take it to the back of those things, and then I'm going to reduce the opacity, not much, but just something like this. Okay, so we have it like this. So that's okay for now, and then I'm going to lock that. So we have it set like this. So we are trying to achieve another thing, so we are going to bring in the theme. It's just a random theme. It's not, remember, it's not a real program. So first we just type God. I'm having in mind to say God is good, so that's what we are going to be using. So put in our font. We are going to make use of this font, super tall font. This is the font. This is the font, super tall font. So I'm going to make use of that font, and then I'll change the color to white. Alright, so now we are picking idea from the first flyer to get it achieved in this other one. The next thing we are going to be doing is for us to get our address and time. Alright, so we have this like this, and then we are going to create another shape. And then let's make use of this shape. Okay, you can actually make use of this. Let's make it red. Okay, let's reduce the alright, so we have the time. I'm going to change the color to white, and then I'm going to change the font to Barbase. Alright, I'm going to add 9 a.m. prompts there. Alright, so guys, we are done with that place. So the next thing we do is to get, we are going to get another shape like this. So we'll have something like this, then we'll put it behind the first shape, and then I'm going to change that color to blue, but something like this, so a darker blue. And let's get the color brighter a bit. Okay, still not showing. Let's get the color brighter. Okay, so we have it like this. So there I'm going to write the name of the man. Alright, so yeah, let's try to fix the text fast. Alright, so that will not make the video lengthy. Alright, so the flyer, we are almost done with the flyer. Okay, so like this is still okay, but it's looking so empty. So let's get to do something. Alright, let's try something. I'm going to get so I got this. Let me remove the black part. I'm going to pick the black part and then remove it. I'm going to drag it, have it like that. So we are not done with it. Okay, we skipped something. So there's something we need to add in the middle there, which is God is good. Alright, so we are going to put the is. So I'm going to make use of this black, Germanis black. Now let me use Germanis. Alright, so let me use this other one, this bold, and then I'm going to make that a capital letter, both of them. Okay, so I'm going to drag that here, and then I'll add a background to its background shape. Alright, so I'll make it red. Let me change the font of the color to white. So So for the background, I'm going to increase the padding to the left a bit, the padding to the right a bit, so I have something like this. Can decide to rotate it a bit, so we have it like that. Alright, after doing this, so the last thing, I'm going to save this design so that we can make it look better. Alright, so I'm going to head over to tools and then go to sharpening, then structure. I'm going to put our structure so we have it like that. So the next thing we'll do, so head over to, then add our contrast. Then I'm not going to increase that much. Then the ambience, I'm going to, then shadow, I'm going to, I'm reducing the shadow instead. Then 1. Alright, so we have it like this. We have it like this. You can see before and after, before and after. So guys, here is how to model a flyer. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viable video just like this one. So guys, if you're a member of the design challenge, kindly submit your design on time so that we can check it and then move on to the next one. So guys, thank you for watching and then see you in next tutorial.